All right, guys, we got a 1971 Ford F100 bone stock. Look at this thing. All original. A little rust there. Not bad, though. Still in good shape. It's not all rusted out, as you guys can see. It's got a little rust here and there, but nothing crazy, all surface. So what we done, he brought it in. He has long tube headers on it, there and there. Then we ran 2.5-inch pipe all the way back on each side. Right there and right there into an H pipe that he bought. Here's the part number from Summit. There'll be a link in the description for it. Balanced tube kit. That's what they call it. Right there. It comes with two different adapters, so you can get a really long one or a short one. I think it sounds better with the short one, so we went with the shorter version of it right there. Then 2.5-inch continues. Then we put two Flowmaster Flow FXs on it, side by side. Part number 71416. There'll be a link in the description for it also. 2.25 tailpipes out the back, mandrel bent, as you guys can see, to equalize the flow all the way back into 3.5-inch by 18 angle cut tips. Right there to finish it off. Give it that classic look. Oh, came out really clean, really nice, as you guys can see. Ford F100. So tell me what you guys think of that. I think it came out really nice, really clean. I'll do you guys a walk under because you guys like that. So I said, we'll do it. It's going this way. And then we show the front. And we go back out and down. There it is. There, in there, and out, and over. Boom. All right, guys, stay tuned. And that was the single pipe that was on it right there, without it connected to anything. So we took it all off. Go ahead. Oh, that sounds good. Nice clean idle to it. Let you guys hear it on idle. With Flow FXs by Flowmaster. Here's idle. Sound decibels. Right at 78. Go ahead and give it gas now. Here's sound decibels now with it revving up. Right at 101. I love the old classic green on white or cream. It's clean. Ford F100 Ranger. That's the classic Rangers, guys. Long bit, too. If you guys don't know, we are located in Nashville, Tennessee, 3560 Dickerson Pike. Here's our beautiful shop. Give us a holler if you ever need anything. Go ahead. That's a long bit there, guys. Look at that. They don't make them like that no more. They keep making the bits smaller and smaller. They're not work trucks anymore. I'll let you guys hear on the inside. It looks like those headers need to be tightened up. There it is. Do you like it? Yeah. All right. Enjoy it, boss. Thank you again. Ford F100 72, guys. There he goes. Brings back old times, guys. Enjoy. Hope you guys enjoy it. It was a beautiful truck. The Ricardo seats too. Nice. Look at that, guys. Clean suede. Really nice car. I like the badging right there too. Just nicely done. I love when they make the screens recessed in like that. Just a cleaner look. GT350 Mustang Shelby. Look at that sucker race car.